Hi friends, welcome to Tutors for the channel. Today I am going to talk about the Grok 3 AI. This AI released recently this AI has been released, but this is very famous AI. Okay, so this is not the Grok 3 is released recently, but Grok is not recently released. Okay, it is released uh, 1 year ago. Okay, so here if you click on this, it goes to the official site. So nowadays it is selected as Grok 3. The previous one module is Grok 2. Okay, so I'm going to teach from the Grok 2. So Grok 2 is the best AI tool. So let me test that. So I want to write an essay. So here your teacher is saying that you want to write the essay about your country, your mother country, or your some other prestigious place in your country. So I'm going to write essay. So you can first you have put as act as a essay writer. World best essay writer. Essay if you have any leave the mistake of the spelling mistake, so you have write essay. Click on this. Okay, it's telling that here it's everything. It's instruction telling that and word count should be 500. So what you're going to do is I would like to write the essay about Taj Mahal, include 1000 into 1015 words. I need in between from 1000 to 1015 words, in between 1000 to 1000 words, include that articles. Okay, so let's enter that. So here it is writing about the Taj Mahal. Okay, you will be able to get the simple terms. Earlier it is working look like this. Okay, it's a Grok model. Okay, very simple. Okay, nowadays they are the each and every month and every 6 months, after 6 months they are implementing the new functionality added that AI tool as well. Okay, so now you can see here it is writing more than 1000 words. Here it is included. Here this is the word count they are included. Here it's a perfect essay. You will be able to, this is the heart of India. Here it is, you can see. Now here the same essay, just copy this. You have select as a Grok 3 model. Here if you have selected Grok 3 model, you can see there's a deep search. Another one is a thin. What's the difference between these one? So when you are going to do the assignment in your class or school or university, they are asking the Harvard reference. What's the Harvard reference? If you don't have idea about the Harvard reference, you go to the Harvard reference. You just go to the Harvard reference. Harvard referencing, you can search. You can include this where you are getting from something else. You have to put where you can get there. Okay, the reference. So all the reference, if you are, the teachers are asking if you are writing the essay or assignment, where did you get these resources? Every teachers are asking. So you don't know. You written by the AI tool. AI tool where it is getting your internet, but which resources it is getting, you don't know. So that time you click on this deep search and you can press. Now you have a clear idea where it is getting from. Here you can see Taj Mahal. It is getting the article something from Taj Mahal Wikipedia.com. It is getting here. It's not still over. 11 pages is reading, and it is reading. All the it is go along with this all the Wikipedia reading. After that, this side reading, this side, all the side it's going to reading. Okay, read and it is getting in the mind. First you are studying what is this Taj Mahal. Okay, what is the thing you are entering on the prompt? Based on the prompt, it is going to study. It studied and it is right by hit on. That is AI. That is the thing AI tool is do. Okay. So these are the things do by the human. It take too much of time. Here this the Taj Mahal also it read 0 1 1 or 0 second. It is read. So if the human is 13 web pages take too much of time, more than 3 or 4 hours, more than 3 hours time it would be take. If the human could read the uh, uh, more than 10 web pages. Okay, so everything's are read. Yeah, it's read 13 pages. So here it is the read and writing the article. See, it's perfectly good article. This is Taj Mahal is one of the most here. And okay, so this is the read is a simple one here. It's very good design. Okay, you can see. Now you can write. Okay, this is the meaning of Taj Mahal. You written this essay, and you can ask when the teachers ask, you can attach the all things. Here, these are the sites. It's getting from all sites were attached. That's being HTML. Okay, what does the thing mean? You can see if you are, I uncheck this one. I'm going to along with the thing. Thing I now need a Harvard reference resources. You just click think and you write it. It is thinking and writing. You can see there are many things they are implementing. Okay, there are many students no aware of these things. What is AI? How to work with AI? Okay, without knowing AI tool well, it is not good. First, you have to learn how the AI tool is working. You go through this one first. Okay, so that is the things you have to go through. What is the purpose of AI? How the AI tool is working? You just go through this video. It is very helpful to learn every things from the scratch of AI. Okay, first how to write the from. So how to write the from in the efficient way. So here it is thinking everything. This is also very powerful. The thinking is very powerful. Okay, rather than you are running the deep search. Okay, this is thinking and writing. It's first you have to go to everything. It goes to the internet and read the article. After that, after read the articles, it is thinking and write its own one. It is very powerful. Features include the Grok AI tool, which is a thing. This is a very powerful functionality. It's included. Okay, this very powerful functionality. Grok included. This very powerful functionality. Okay, you can go along with this functionality. Very good. Okay, why it is the everything should be completed. So this is still reading and thinking and writing. So after it completed, you can have a good essay. Okay, so you can it everything is ticked. Okay, think and write. Okay, so you can see the every option is different. Okay, so everything is a deep search. It written by on not only the same. This article is different. The first time Grok 2 there is a different one here. So this one here, this Taj Mahal as a here white. It is written by different one. So you can first you have to. So here if you want to without thinking and without deep search, and you have to write the articles, you can see here it is normally come as a the final Grok 2 model. It's normally come as a Grok 2. Okay. Okay, you can write the article essay without on this tool. Okay, this is not a compulsory. If you no need, you can leave as it is, and you can write. You just write and click search. Okay. Okay, so if this is not compulsory. If you are click and write it, when you need a referencing part where you can get that all the points, you can switch on and write it. You can get the resources. Okay, you don't need the resources. You just off and rewrite it. So if it is write the advanced mode, you have to click think and write it. Okay, here this is also the return. You can get these articles. Okay, whatever that is upon your hand. Okay, this is how the Grok is. Thank you for watching.